The main door of a house is not merely an entryway, it holds great significance in Vastu Shastra and Vedic astrology. The threshold of a house, known as Dahliz or Dwar Chaukhat in Vastu Shastra, holds profound significance as it is considered the gateway through which energies enter and exit a home, impacting the overall harmony, prosperity, and success of the household. Several rituals and practices can transform the energy of this space, ensuring positivity and blessings flow into your home. The threshold acts as a protective barrier, preventing negative energies from entering the house and ensuring the retention of positive energies within. It is believed to be the point where external chaos is filtered, allowing only harmonious vibrations to pass through. In Vastu Shastra, the threshold also symbolizes stability and security, anchoring the house energetically to the earth. In Vastu Shastra, the threshold is metaphorically referred to as the keeper of wealth. It is believed that an auspicious and intact threshold prevents the outflow of money, relationships, and opportunities. Conversely, a broken or damaged threshold can result in financial troubles, health issues, or disharmony. Astrologically, the threshold corresponds to the energy of Ketu, the south node of the moon, which governs boundaries, spiritual protection, and transitions. A well-maintained threshold harmonizes the astrological influences of the planets, ensuring peace and success in the household. In Vastu Shastra, it is believed that following certain remedies related to the main entrance of the house not only removes Vastu defects but also brings other benefits. It is said that Devi Lakshmi, the deity of wealth and prosperity, enters the house 7 times a day through the main door. Therefore, the entrance should always be kept clean. You might have noticed that in many homes, water is sprinkled at the entrance in the morning and evening. According to Vedic astrology, sprinkling pure water at the main entrance in the morning and evening spreads positive energy in the home. It is also believed to free a person from various problems in life. Sprinkling pure water daily at the entrance ensures that positivity stays in the house. Those who keep their entrance clean and pure find their homes filled with positive vibes. Sprinkling pure water at the door also helps maintain love and harmony among family members and can bring comfort and happiness to life. For enhanced benefits, mix some turmeric or Kali Fitkari, meaning black alum, in pure water and sprinkle on the threshold. Turmeric, known for its purifying properties, not only removes negativity but also strengthens the energy flow. Alum water, on the other hand, is believed to attract wealth and dispel obstacles. While doing this, it is essential to keep the area around the main door clean, as cleanliness is a fundamental principle for maintaining positive energy. If it is not possible to sprinkle water every day, it should at least be done on Tuesdays and Saturdays to achieve favorable results. Sprinkling water on the main door external area, specifically in the morning and evening, is important because it strengthens Rahu's position in the horoscope. Rahu is associated with the entrance of the house in astrology, so special care should be taken regarding this ritual. Additionally, sprinkling turmeric water at the entrance is believed to remove all troubles in a person's life and strengthen the Vastu of the house. For improving the direction and energy of the home, Vastu Shastra recommends the remedy of sprinkling turmeric water on the door frame. The ideal times for this ritual are early morning during Brahma Muhurt and during the evening hours, when it is believed that Devi Lakshmi enters the home. This practice is said to bring prosperity, resolve financial issues, and foster harmony among family members. If daily sprinkling is not feasible, performing it on Tuesdays and Saturdays is particularly beneficial. Sprinkling alum water on the main door daily is said to resolve financial issues and attract wealth. It is particularly effective for individuals struggling with debts or financial instability. This ritual ensures that monetary gains flow steadily into the household while removing blockages in wealth accumulation. One more remedy is soak a silver coin or 1 rupee coin in turmeric water, then sprinkle that water on the threshold of your home. Place the coin in the puja mandir or money locker. It is believed that this remedy ensures there is never a lack of money in life. This simple yet powerful ritual aligns with astrological principles, ensuring a steady flow of income and blessings. Sprinkling water mixed with turmeric and camphor on the main door is another powerful practice. Camphor is revered in astrology for its ability to remove evil energies and attract divine blessings from Devi Lakshmi and Devi Annapurna. Combining these two elements ensures that the house becomes a hub of positivity and peace. This ritual is also said to strengthen the position of Rahu in your astrological chart, bringing stability to one's career and finances. The main door is not just a functional part of the house but a focal point of energy transformation. It serves as a bridge between the outer world and the inner sanctuary, making its maintenance and rituals essential for spiritual and material well-being. These Vastu practices ensure that the house becomes a reservoir of positive energy, fostering health, happiness, and prosperity for its inhabitants. Incorporating these rituals into your daily life not only enhances the aesthetic and spiritual value of your home, but also creates a harmonious environment for everyone. Whether through sprinkling water, lighting lamps, or placing sacred symbols, each practice brings you closer to a life of abundance and joy. You can watch our previous videos on main door Vastu and Vedic astrology. Video links are available in the description.
That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit, God bless you.